Hi guys, today project I'm working on a dog's bed, pet bed actually. So I'm thinking of getting a puppy soon and I want to make her bed. So first I made this bone shape kind of stuff. This is going to be like a pillow or something in her this thing, or a toy rather. So this is this one. And these are the materials I'm using for her bed. I'm using this spread with this, and this is our foam. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, so this material I got 1 yard, but since I already cut out this bone from it, let me see. You still have like 1 yard left. I don't even know how they measured it. Look, I'm using the other side, but like this is 1 yard. So for the bed, I want to use this thing so it can be like a big bed. So I'll not have issues getting bed later on. So I'm going to curve the edges like you see me do so. So I want it to be like curved. So I'm going to like curve this edge. Come here. Curve this edge. I will do the same thing for this place. Curve this edge, just like cut it out so that it will not be like a sharp mouth. Then curve this edge as well. So I'm going to like cut this out in shape you see as so. So from here, see this. So I'm just going to like trim this out, trim out the edge, come in here, join, follow this. So it's going to be like an oval shape. It won't be like just straight like that. So I'm just following this up. When you get here, you curve this other edge. So basically just do this round, something you do round. To spread out the other color, this bed is going to have 2 colors. This is the second color, so I'm just going to like spread it out. This material is velvet. I don't know the name of this other pink fabric. I just saw it and like it because of the plush. So yeah, just spread this one on top of it as you see me do, like so. Oh my god. Please guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. You have to check the next video I'm uploading for the sewing part of this tutorial. Thanks for staying tuned.